It is on. Okay, I'm at Danube, Minnesota. This is, what's the date? July 8th, I think, 2023. It's a Saturday. And they have a car show. They had more show up here than they had at Renville. Muscle car heaven here.
But I don't know whereabouts she is on the lake.
Well, that purple one is really something. A.C. Harris. Half of these tractor companies are out of business now. Minneapolis Moline is out of business too. You know, pick up over there too. And we're going this side. It'd be fun if they had a drag race between the blue one and the red one, see who wins, huh?
And so that's what he does. And then they did the roof on the shop.
Not a single Pontiac. What's the world coming to, huh? Got one lone Corvette, that's good.
Sometimes when you're that young.
Couple of motorcycles here. Oh, this one's really custom. That's got to be $60,000, huh? One back there. And we'll call it a day. Talk to you later.